Hi, my name is Rolf and I'm a support manager here at IBM. Today, I'm going to show you how to collect the CPE ping pages.
Let's start with the CPE on the Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform (OCP) as part of a CloudPak for business automation deployment. First, log into your OpenShift web console. Click on Workloads and then Config Maps. In the search field in the top left corner, type access-info and open the Access Info page for your CP4BA deployment. Scroll down until you see the CPE Access Info box, and here you will find the ping pages. You can open this URL in a new browser tab. And that's it. Simply screenshot this page or print it as PDF and upload it to your support case. In a traditional on-prem installation, simply open the web interface for your application server using the correct IP and port information and append /filenet/engine. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you would like to see more videos or information about IBM Enterprise Content Management, simply follow the link in the description below.